Okay, so here is the radiator support for the TSX. Got this used. Here are some of the spot welds. There's quite a few of them that have to be removed in order to get this prepped and ready to be put in. So, a lot of people don't realize that the radiator support in the TSX is actually welded in. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna weld those out. What we're gonna do is we're gonna first start off with a 1/8 drill bit. Then we're gonna step it up to something just a little larger. So this is a 15/16, so you can see from a size standpoint, that's just a little bigger than the actual hole. And then we'll go ahead and we'll use this tool here to separate those drilled out weld spots, and then this radiator support will be ready to be installed. Now for any of those hard to reach spots like we've encountered here with this drill bit, we're gonna go ahead and use our belt sander. As you can see, this belt will need to be replaced, but we'll go ahead and use this to help us out in those hard to reach spots.
So you can see here what's involved with getting this radiator support to be detached from the frame. I had bought this used, and it looks like they had cut it out the vehicle, so I had to drill out all those weld spots in order to get it separated. So you can see this took quite a bit of time. I think it took me a total of a little over an hour over the span of 2 days working on it, but I was finally able to get it separated and removed. All that you really kind of need to do from here is kind of, you know, prep it. Maybe you want to change the color if it is a different color. In my case, it is the darker gray, so probably would spray that over. But you can see the labor that's involved here. We're not even talking about removing the radiator support from the original vehicle. We're just working on the used part, so you can see what's involved here. It's quite a bit of work, and you got to make sure you have the right tools to get the job done. But here's the end finished product. It's all drilled out, ready to be kind of cleaned up and painted. It's your boy BT. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.